Linux Mint already comes with a solid set of apps, but the real fun starts when you discover those hidden gems that quietly make your desktop better. These are the apps that don't usually appear in top Linux apps lists, but once you install them, they quickly become part of your daily workflow. Today, I'm showing you 6 underrated Linux Mint apps that deserve way more attention. Most of them are lightweight, clean, and genuinely useful. And the best part is, almost all of them work perfectly through Flatpak on Linux Mint 22.3. Let's start with GearLever. First up is GearLever. If you use app images on Linux Mint, this app is a lifesaver. Normally, app images feel a little messy. You download them, move them somewhere manually, make them executable, then try to keep track of updates yourself. GearLever fixes all of that. You simply open an app image with GearLever, and it automatically integrates the app into your system menu. It handles icons, launchers, organization, and even updates in some cases. The interface is extremely clean, and it feels like app images become native apps on Linux Mint. If you regularly test Linux apps from GitHub or independent developers, this tool makes the experience much smoother. Next is Warehouse. Now, Linux Mint users love Flatpaks, but managing them from the terminal can sometimes feel confusing, especially when dealing with permissions, old runtimes, or leftover data. Warehouse gives you a beautiful graphical interface for all of that. You can inspect Flatpak permissions, remove unused packages, downgrade versions, manage remotes, and even clean unnecessary files without touching commands. Honestly, it feels like the missing advanced control center for Flatpak apps. Then, there's Blanket. This app is simple, but surprisingly addictive. Blanket plays background sounds like rain, thunder, wind, coffee shops, nature, keyboard sounds, or even train ambience. You can mix multiple sounds together and create your own relaxing environment while working or studying. What makes it special is how lightweight and polished it feels. The interface matches Linux Mint beautifully, and it doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary options. Sometimes small apps like this improve your desktop experience more than giant feature-packed software ever can. Now let's talk about one of the coolest tools in this list, Parabolic. Parabolic is basically a modern graphical front end for YTDLP. It lets you download videos or audio from supported websites with a clean interface instead of terminal commands. You paste a link, choose the format, select audio or video quality, and download. That's it. It's especially useful for offline learning, podcasts, tutorials, or music collections, and compared to many older Linux downloaders, this one feels modern and stable. Then we have Mousai. Think of this like Shazam for Linux. If a song is playing nearby and you want to identify it, open Mousai and let it listen for a few seconds. It recognizes the track and gives you the song information almost instantly. It's one of those apps people don't realize exists on Linux, but once you install it, you end up using it more often than expected. The interface is minimal, fast, and perfect for Linux Mint users who enjoy clean GTK applications. And finally, there's Foliate. This is easily one of the best ebook readers available on Linux right now. Foliate supports EPUB, Mobi, comic book archives, bookmarks, annotations, dictionary lookup, reading progress, dark mode, and even Kindle-like reading layouts. But the real reason people love it is the reading experience itself. It feels modern, distraction-free, and extremely polished. If you read books, PDFs, documentation, or technical guides on your Linux Mint system, Foliate deserves a permanent place on your desktop. What I really like about all these apps is that they solve real problems without becoming bloated. They're lightweight, focused, and designed with Linux desktop users in mind. And honestly, that's part of what makes Linux Mint so enjoyable in the first place. You keep discovering these small open-source tools that quietly improve your workflow every single day. So, if you want to refresh your Linux Mint setup without installing the same mainstream apps everyone already knows about, start with these 6. You'll probably end up keeping most of them installed permanently.